religion. The reason why I asked this question is because recently a customer asked me about the temple hair. So in my opinion, for the temple hair, I think it's from mostly from another country. I think you know which country it is, so I don't need to mention. For the temple hair, I think some people they have a belief in religion and they will go to the temple and donate their hair to God, and they want to give their hair free to God and just want to pray for something good in their life. So this is what I think. But there are some bad people, they will collect the so-called temple hair or the devoted hair and sell to other people. But the people who donated this hair, they don't know their hair are collected by the other people who will sell this hair very high price around the world. So it's a very pity that these devoted people, they really want to pray for God for something good because they have a really strong belief in religion and they are very devoted. So to me, I think this is good thing. The bad thing is they never know the hair they donate in the place will be shipped to the other clients who will pay for the hair. So I think, to me, I always tell you the guys that you need to be fair. You need to be fair in this deal. So when we collect the hair around different villages, we will ask the ladies, are you willing to donate your hair and we will pay you fair money to collect this kind of hair? Because we're doing this business, we don't want to get this hair free of charge. We will never do that. So that's why I always tell my clients that in hair business, we're very fair and we always guide you how to do this hair business. We don't want to go to the temple to have a deal under the table with some guys who are in control of this place, and maybe they will pretend to ask the devoted people to donate something for God. So this is not really they want to see to happen like this. I hope you guys can understand this. So to me, the ladies who live in big city, they have very beautiful hair, and the girls live in the poor village. They really need to earn a living, and some of the girls are willing to donate their hair for some money to keep their life going on. This is how we travel around the villages, travel around China, travel around Asia, the Asian countries to search for the good hair. I think you get my points in this video. Um, some ladies they're not willing to donate their hair for a very cheap price. That's and I kind of tell you guys, I kind of told you guys that before. The real virgin hair material are going to costly every year or every 2 years or every 3 years. The price will only going up each 2 years, each 3 years. I mean for the real virgin hair. But for the flow hair, that means people can easily collect the flow hair in the street and in a barber shop or in other ugly places, and we process the hair by chemical, and those hair that's a very plenty of hair that you can find. um, that's why you can see some guys can export the hair in container, or some guys can export the hair every day, so many boxes of hair. But you think this is impossible. Only the floor hair can have that kind of big quantity. But the real donor hairs, we need to cut person by person, and we need to find these donors who are willing to donate the hair for a fair price. It's not going to the temple or not going to some like kind of charge to collect their hair, and it's kind of free or very cheap price. It's not fair. It's very bad. So people ask me, what do you think about the temple hair? To me, I don't suggest. If you have very really strong belief in religion, it, I'm saying if you have very strong belief in the religion, you don't need to buy the temple hair. You just need to pay the fair price for the donors and to collect a very healthy hair. And this is nothing to do with God, and it's very good uh, at the bottom of your heart. So you see, this kind of hair, we need to pay the fair price for the donors in the village to collect their hair. All this kind of hair, and we don't have temple hair. So this video, this is my point. We don't have temple hair, and by this kind, also this kind of hair, this one. So check. If you have any um, constructive information helpful to the other ladies, you can share your comments under this video. Share your comments, share your opinions under this video to help more and more ladies who are not, who have nothing knowledge about this hair industry. Just help them.